is it worth it? That's what we're here with my buyers in Newmarket to figure out and see if this is a house they can see themselves living in. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And we're gonna go check this thing out and see, is it worth it for $575? 2-car garage. Don't like the driveway very much. There's a little bit of paint needing work in that little cutout up there. Roof overall looks pretty good. I'm starting to see some buckling. Let's take a walk around. Fenced in backyard. I need a favor. Can you hit that like button for me? I would really appreciate it, and it helps the channel out a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. I like what they did here. I'm guessing that it was starting to get low up against the foundation, so they built the dirt up around here and kind of channeled it out so it keeps it away from the house. Smart. Little basketball hoop and swing set with a nice shed. Looks a lot bigger from the back. Really like this layout here. Big HVAC. I'd be willing to bet that's a train. Yep, and that was also from 2014. Finish up the side. I would definitely say the siding needs a paint job also. Let's go take a look inside. Very pretty. Nice built-in kitchen. Nice deck out back. Fenced in yard. Big family room space. And there's a half bath here. Great size. And the garage. And let's head upstairs. Some pretty artwork on the wall there. And we got a purple bedroom. Tastefully done. Pretty cool little chandelier. Bedroom 2, really good size. Hall bath. And the master. This is nice. With a big walk-in closet. Hey, real quick, can you hit that like button for me? I appreciate you. Thanks. Well, this basement does not look creepy at all, which is a good thing. Good space, lots of natural light. And I think this is what attracted my buyers. They're currently an office, but this would make a great bedroom and in-law suite. storage and utility. And this is from 2014. Good washer and dryer, clean. Really big electrical panel. I bet this has extra space. No, that thing's full. No, there's more top space. And electric water heater. I can't get to the tag on that. Another full bath down in the basement. I don't think this is going to be the one for these buyers, at least. Overall, really nice house, but they don't like the driveway. They really don't like the yard. So we already had 2 negatives against us before we even got in the door. The main 2 levels were perfect, and the basement, the layout, we'd basically have to redo the whole thing. So for $575, this one is not worth it to my clients.